Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you unblock someone on Roblox. So if you have blocked someone on Roblox and now you want to unblock it, you can just unblock very easily. At first, just go to Roblox. Now click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll from here and click on settings. Now click on privacy, the third one. Now just scroll from here and the last option here is blocked users. Click on show. Now here you can see the blocked user. Now just click on unblock, and by just clicking it you can unblock anyone on Roblox. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.